Kuringana na gicunji gia keri gia gatiba ya bururi, uhuthiri wa bangi ona kana ndawa ingi cia kulevya ni mukananie na mundu unginyitikana agikuria, akiendia ona kana akihuthira no ahurwo faini, akundikwo kioho njera ona kana ciothe igiri. Muhari uyu niguo utumite gikundi kia Rastafari guku bururi-ini mahanyuke igoti-ini makienda muhari ucio uthathaurwo na umurikwo keri kuona ni wagararite kihooto kiao ta ndini.
The global warming, the unemployment and the health issues that is affecting many of our people today has become an issue which we cannot keep quiet again. We believe that there should be more emphasis towards research and also towards allowing the Rastafari to take the forefront of advising even the country and the nation on how the plant is a solution for many of our problems today.
Atongoria a gikundi giki marenda gicunji kiu gicenjio magitariria uhuthiri wa bangi ni undu mutheru no huthikaga hari gutabania magongona mao guku magikinyiriria o ta uria mahoya matabanagio kaingi no taguo ndini yao itikiritie mahuthire bangi maita maingi uria kwahoteka.
The Rastafari community has been wrongfully imprisoned and persecuted because of the use of the cannabis for their spiritual use, especially sacramental use.
Maugite ibatie kuhuthika na njira itiganite ta gwithamba, ikihuthika ta ndawa kuhonia mirimu ngurani ona kana kuruta magongona majino kuri mumombi.
And also goes to the extent of allowing or seeking for the court to allow by making a declaration that the private growth and consumption of cannabis is by law not prohibited as far as the Rastafari Society of Kenya is concerned or its members.
Kuringana nao marikenerera ndini ya Rastafari riria mariheo wiyathi wa kuhuthira bangi micii-ini yao ona kana nyumba-ini iria matabanagiria mahoya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.